Anyone going through any type of hair loss, I feel you. I've been there and I'm actually going through it right now after the birth of my son. But I will say in the last week, my hair has felt softer, stronger, hasn't fallen out nearly as much at all, and I always notice in the shower the most, but it's definitely been much less since taking this every day. I'm not making any official claims here, just what it's been doing for me. This is Mary Ruth's Liquid Morning Multivitamin in peach mango flavor, made with all vegan ingredients. I've noticed a huge difference in not only my hair, the feel and look of it, but also my skin. I keep waking up to completely clear skin and I'm like, well, I must be doing something right because my skin is loving me lately. I love this and will continue repurchasing over and over after this bottle is gone because results do not lie. I used to have waist-length hair and in March I cut it to a little below my shoulders and it's grown this much since then. I cannot wait to see how much longer and stronger it gets taking this every day. I'll link it below for you to grab yours while it's on sale.